finally got our hands on one of the wildest smartphones of the year. The Redmi Note 17 Pro is here, and it's ready to redefine the mid-range game. But the real surprise? It survives 3-meter drops, stays underwater 2 meters deep for up to 72 hours, and packs a massive 9,000 milliamp hour battery. That's a huge upgrade for this price. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from Techie Street. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. Let's start with the design. I'm using the sky blue version, and it looks absolutely perfect for summer. The soft blue finish with its translucent effect gives the phone a premium vibe that instantly stands out. Redmi has completely refreshed the design. Instead of flashy patterns, you get a cleaner, more elegant look with a modern camera module. The glass back blends beautifully with the enclosed metal camera housing, making the phone feel far more premium than you'd expect. On the front, there's a stunning 6.83-inch 1.5K flat display with a high refresh rate. The ultra-slim 1.5mm bezels on all sides and smooth rounded corners give it a true flagship feel. Thanks to the 4V curved frame, it's also comfortable and secure to hold with one hand. The Redmi Note 17 Pro comes in 4 colors: sky blue, black, white, and nebula purple. No matter which one you choose, they all look fantastic. The display is one of the biggest upgrades this year. It uses the same advanced luminous material as the Xiaomi 17 series and reaches an incredible 3,500 nits peak brightness. Even under bright sunlight, everything stays clear and vibrant. Auto brightness also adjusts smoothly, giving you a flagship-level viewing experience wherever you are. Now comes the part everyone has been waiting for, the ultimate durability test. Many phones promise toughness, but this one actually backs it up. First, water resistance. The Redmi Note 17 Pro is the only phone in its class with IP66, IP68, IP69, and IP69K ratings. Heavy rain, accidental spills, or even full water submersion, it keeps working without any problem. Officially, it can stay 2 meters underwater for up to 72 hours. Redmi also tested it to simulate a full year of heavy daily use, and its waterproof sealing remained strong and reliable. Inside, there are 17 dedicated waterproof structural components. Every opening, camera, and port is sealed for maximum protection against water and dust. Drop protection is just as impressive. The phone features flagship-grade anti-gel GGVR glass and a newly reinforced structure. The middle frame is 30% stronger, the motherboard is more compact, and upgraded cushioning protects the internals. Officially, it survives 3-meter drops, passes all 4 corner drop tests, and earns dual 5-star durability certifications. With the Redmi Note 17 Pro, cracked screens and accidental drops become a lot less scary. If you've ever dropped your phone, you'll love the extra peace of mind this one gives you. Performance is another big surprise. Budget phones often slow down after a few months, but not this one. It's powered by the 4th generation Snapdragon 6S, delivering smooth, stable, and power-efficient performance for everyday use. Everything feels fast and responsive without the usual mid-range lag. Now for the biggest upgrade, the massive 9,000 milliamp hour Xiaomi Shizhong battery. It's the largest battery ever in a Redmi phone. Redmi claims up to 2.54 days of regular use. Light users can easily get 2 full days, while heavy users can comfortably finish an entire day without battery anxiety. Charging is just as impressive. You get 67-watt fast charging, taking the phone from empty to full in under 90 minutes in my testing. It also supports 22.5-watt reverse wired charging and 55-watt PPS universal fast charging, so you can even charge your earbuds or smartwatch when needed. Super handy for everyday life. Redmi also packed in some thoughtful features for families and senior users. You get call recording, AI anti-fraud protection, AI scam detection, fraud interception, and NFC anti-theft security to help protect against online scams. The upgraded senior care tools are equally useful. Features like location sharing, health info viewing, remote app management, dangerous SMS filtering, and one-touch emergency assistance make it easier for family members to stay connected and help elderly users when needed. Audio is another highlight. The dual stereo speakers reach up to 81 decibels with a 300% volume boost, making calls and media loud and clear, especially in noisy environments. Overall, the Redmi Note 17 Pro gets a lot right. You get a refreshed premium design, 3-meter drop protection, full IP66, IP68, IP69, and IP69K waterproof ratings, a stunning 3500 nit display, a huge 9000 mAh battery, plus eye protection, AI security, and senior-friendly features. These are upgrades you'll actually notice every day. In China, the Redmi Note 17 Pro starts at 1,599 yuan for the 8GB 128GB model, which is around £176 in the UK or about $236 in the US. If you want a phone that's tough, long-lasting, fully waterproof, and reliable for daily use, whether you're a student, a working professional, or buying one for your parents, the Redmi Note 17 Pro is an easy recommendation. Now it's your turn. Could this be the best budget smartphone of the year? Tell me in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.